There are two things that attracted me most about the program. First, that it's a one-year MBA program, and the second thing that every student was paired with a career coach and a mentor that is industry experience, and that is a very helpful thing for students.
My overall experience has been great. The relationships are built, the networking, and also how the program was set up was actually really a standout point for me.
The quality of the faculty is pretty incredible. They come with very rich experience, both academic and professional. All their insights is very fascinating and interesting when they put together both aspects.
And the consulting practicum really stood out to me in terms of a course that really embodies the entire program. So we had the opportunity to work with a tech venture startup, a real-world engagement with two founders. And so those two founders came to our class and we acted as real-world consultants for them.
We learned very well how to work with real clients, find the actual problem, how to solve it, and give the right recommendations for them to move forward.
It's very interesting for us as the cohort to learn how to apply theoretical concepts in real life.
You learn a great deal that you wouldn't necessarily learn out of a textbook. It's really valuable for the program and for our growth.
From the first class we had, I realized this is going to be transformational. It helped me to see myself more as a leader, a manager of people, and also being able to communicate effectively.
The MBA program helped me get more focused, putting my right skills and capabilities into the real world, and how can I be of an asset to other people.
The program did a great job of improving our way of thinking and changing the way we think about business problems. We look at it more holistically now, and I've learned to pull out of the details and see it from a big picture and what is the real strategy behind it.
The Lehigh alumni network has amazed me. Not only are they accessible, but they're willing to then connect us within their network to other people. And from that engagement, I actually have an internship.
There was also meeting a lot of alumni through course programs, through real client assignments, and also through the Silicon Valley immersive trip. So we met a lot of alumni working at big tech companies.
And I had the opportunity to talk with people at Google, at LinkedIn, at a lot of the big companies that I aspire to work at.
I've spoken to over 60 plus people over the last year and have developed really great relationships with people in the industry and have found my path forward using these individuals.
One of the main memorable moments for me here at Lehigh is the support that I get as an international student from faculty, from students, from everyone on campus, and making sure that Lehigh is a home for us, and that even if we feel homesick or any adversity comes our way, they make sure that we get the right support to keep going forward.
The campus culture is definitely very welcoming and embraces diversity. Everyone has a voice, and it's a very enriching environment where you get to learn from others.
I would say if you're looking to pivot careers, Lehigh is a great opportunity as it gives you a great support system and an unbelievable education. There's so much value here, and it's up to you to take advantage of it.